How to tag people on a LinkedIn post on Android. This tutorial shows you how to mention and tag someone in your LinkedIn post. First, open LinkedIn on your Android device and tap on the Post button at the bottom of your navigation bar to create a new post. After that, tap on the text field and start typing your post. From there, when you want to tag someone, type the @ symbol followed by their name. At this point, a list of suggestions will automatically appear showing people from your network. In the next step, scroll through the suggestions and tap on the person you want to tag. Following this, their name will be added to your post as a clickable tag, and they will be notified once your post is published. Once done, you can tag multiple people in the same post by simply typing the @ symbol again wherever you want to add another tag. Finally, once you are happy with your post, tap Post to publish it, and everyone you tagged will receive a notification. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you tag people on your LinkedIn post, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.